What's going on, bros? Check it out, bro. Check it out, bros. Check it out, bros. I just put some, not stained, but water seal on there. And it's looking a lot better now. I had to put an update video. For your wood, you can get some kind of seal. I happen to have some Thompsons water seal. I'm not paid by them, but I happen to have some of this stuff. And I'm putting it on this piece of wood here, and I might put it on the sides too. Just a little update. Just pour it on, smear it around. I think it makes it look a lot better too. So this will protect it. The top is the most important. Some sanding when I did the top. You gotta think, this thing's gonna sit in a puddle maybe, so it'll soak the puddle up. So put some at the bottom, whatever touches the ground. That'll protect it from the water. Anyway, I think it looks a lot better now. If you guys really just want it to be less heavy, you could try this. Here's a quick tip to save weight. I'm gonna try to cut down on weight. I already did a little bit of that, but this back piece is really just to keep it braced. So I want to cut basically a whole section of it out just to save on weight. And set my blade to depth perfectly. It already is, but you want to sit there and just size it up so it's right there. If it's plugged in, don't touch the bleed. So that's pretty much right there. I'm gonna cut a big section of it out. I need to know where my studs are. I basically just pick a number, so I go with 5 inches top and bottom, and then coming in from the sides I decide to go 17.5 inches on both sides, and that's my box. If you want to save weight, you could go every 2 feet with the frames. Instead of 16 inches, it would be less. Alright bros, we're just gonna cut like a big piece out of it. Use your biggest paddle bit and drill inside the corners. If you had a jigsaw, you wouldn't have to worry. You can use the jigsaw on the corners, but I don't, so I don't like my cuts to cross over each other on the corners. It makes a weak point in the wood. Make sure you don't cut through any screws or cut away any important screws. I cut out a lot of this piece, but it still serves its function of keeping it racked, so it's not all wobbly when you go to jump on it. It'll still be stiff, and if you want to slide it onto the back of the truck, you can ride along this, whatever. So I saved that this much weight, but it's okay. This is not for looks, it's for the life. It'll last longer with a seal on there. The 2 cutouts on the outside, the 2 ends, that was so that you had somewhere to put your hand to hold the thing if you needed 2 guys to carry it. It's heavy. Technically, I bought this Thompsons water seal, but I only used a little bit of it, and it's for my dad. Just go in your dad's shed and see what he's got. See if he could give you some of his stain or seal or paint, whatever. It's free. That's free. Now it's easier to grab, like this maneuver. It's a little less heavy. A little Alright, check it out, bros. I'm in construction, and I know you might think it's easy for you to get free wood. You're in a construction site every day, but it's not always the case. I went to the industrial center down the street. I drove around, tried to find some dumpsters. Don't dump, but you can take. If you go there and talk to one person, hey, do you have any trash? Like, can I look at your trash? Just talk to one person so that you know you're good. And then you could jump in there, and I found 4 full sheets of flake board at this industrial center down the street. And they had 2x6s in there. So you could really go to any dumpster and people are throwing out wood. Check it out, bros. I had to make an update because look at this. I cleaned down the coping and I think it looks nicer now. What do you think? In the last video, I made this thing for John Duthie. His YouTube channel is John Duthie. Go check it out. And he's usually kills it on this rail out front of his house, but now he's gonna have this grind box. I'm bringing it over to John's house now so we can get some footy. All right, bros, I'm getting excited. And we're gonna ride some bikes. All right, check it out, bros. We're gonna ride this grind box, and it's gonna be sick. All right, bros, we got this grind box, and it's gonna be sick. Thanks for watching, guys, and hit the subscribe button. Carlor will return.